Welcome back, fam. You know what time it is. Soundcore Space One versus JBL 770NC. We're going to do this different this time. If you haven't already, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It's going to be broken up in 3 rounds. Round 1 is a blind sound test. Of course, afterwards, I'm going to tell you which one was which and all the settings, so check it out.
Nobody told you this before, but you outshine the sun. The type that I've been looking for. I've seen you inside my dreams. So baby, come a little closer. Know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body move. Don't be afraid. And baby, keep the lights on. And baby, keep the lights on. So can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. This world can be an ugly place. Sometimes it brings out the worst in us. But when I see your pretty face, it all fades.
So y'all know which one was which? You got your picks? Okay, because the Space One was headphone A and the EQ was bass boost, leaving headphone B to be the JBL 770NC, and the EQ was extreme bass. Round 2, y'all gonna have to pay close attention because I'm gonna switch some things up. It's gonna be a blind sound test again, but y'all gonna really have to pay attention to find out what the difference is, or if you can even hear the difference. Check it out.
Nobody told you this before, but you outshine the sun. The type that I've been looking for. I've seen you inside my dreams. So baby, come a little closer. Know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body move. Don't be afraid. And baby, keep the lights on. And baby, keep the lights on. So can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. This world can be an ugly place. Sometimes it brings out the worst in us. But when I see your pretty face, it all fades.
And the results. Round 2, headphone A, JBL 770NC with the smart audio on. And headphone B is also the JBL 770NC, but with the smart audio off. The Space One was nowhere in that round. So go ahead, run it back, listen closely. There is a difference. Now for round 3, it's exactly what you're used to. Everything's on screen. I did switch up the genre of music, so definitely check that out because I like giving y'all at least 2 different genres of music when I do these tests.
Do you think I'm crazy? I've done all this
So starting with the JBL 770NC, I felt like these handled the R&B / hip hop song a lot better. The bass was more pronounced. It just had a better presence to it. So that goes to the JBL 770NC. Now the Soundcore Space One, I felt like these did a better job than the JBLs on the rock music. Just my opinion, of course. They're a lot less bassy, and with that guitar solo, if you listen to that, you can just hear like every single note with these. I mean, everything was just so pronounced with these. So I really enjoy the Space One with rock and other genres that don't require like a ton of bass like hip hop and R&B does. So definitely I give that category to the Space One. All right, fam. Let me know if you agree with me or not in the comments below. Till next time, we out.